Our factory Xiamen Pring Home and Outdoors Company, Ltd. Is located in a beautiful coastal city in China, Xiamen. We are a professional manufacturer of camping tents, outdoor table chair covers and patio furniture covers. Our factory is established in 2015. With nearly 10 years of experience in customization, research and development, and production for these products. Our factory covers an area of approximately 8,000 square meters and has over 300 workers. We have modern standard production workshops and have already passed the BSCI and ISO certification. Our factory invests a large amount of capital annually to improve machine performance, enhance production efficiency, optimize production processes, and continuously develop new products. Since 2015, our product line has expanded to various camping tents, emergency tents, quarantine tents, sleeping bags, camping tables and chairs, as well as patio furniture covers and equipment covers, boat covers and other outdoor products. We have obtained design patents for multiple products and product test certification. Our products have been well received by customers from around the world. In 2022, our sales exceeded 300 million and continue to steadily grow. We have a strong raw material supply chain, a mature design team, advanced manufacturing capabilities, a rigorous quality inspection process, and an experienced sales and operations team. While constantly developing and innovating, we provide high-quality custom services that can make camping tents, camping table/chair, and outdoor furniture covers according to your requirements. Our clients are located all around the world. We are focusing on meeting the specific needs of each customer and continuously enhancing customer satisfaction to create the highest value for all partners. Our mission is to become industry-recognized quality leaders, and we sincerely look forward to your inquiries and visits. Thank you.